Hey everybody! So I've not done an actual video that's not been a short for a while, partly because I enjoy doing quick shorts, having fun. But I just wanted to kind of talk about or briefly go over something that I've used in the past and I found really useful, and I thought, why not just do a video talking about it? And that's Tubebuddy, and you can see down here there's lots of talking about like Mr. Beast, etc. So there's probably a lot of people that use this, but for those that haven't seen this before, which I wonder where have you been, because it's, I think probably a lot of you people know about it, but from my kind of perspective, I'd say that it's kind of like an SEO tool per se for YouTube. It gives you tools that can help you improve different aspects of your YouTube videos. No, it doesn't improve your video. The video is the video, but it improves all the things around it, sort of like helping you with your tags, helping you with your potential thumbnails into A/B testing. And you can see, there's a list of lots of different things that it talks about on their website to kind of things that it can do, and including analytics, including things like A/B testing, where you can have two different thumbnails, where you A/B test the thumbnails, see which one's best, etc. And it is a paid for product. If you want to get all the tools out there, you can see that you're talking around for the everything. It's around, according to this at the moment, with a 50% discount. If you pay over the year, it's sort of around $16.50. Obviously, on a normal month, it's around $32, $33, I think. If you don't have that 50%, or if you do it on a 1 month, you can see there that's the actual price. So the 1 year is definitely good, but you obviously have to pay the $197 up front. But for the tools that you get, if you want to improve your videos, the kind of stuff around your videos, then definitely it's a great tool. But the one good thing is you can actually try it out first for free. You can sign up for free, and it gives you a few things to try around with. So for example, here's a video that I just kind of on my shorts list loaded up, and I'm just about to kind of let it go. And you don't get lots of things, but what you get, for example, is you get to see the tag generate. So it gives you an idea of some tags. You can see here there's 256 suggested tags if I had the full version, which I have actually used on a different channel, and this is why I thought it's a brilliant tool to use. And also you can see over here this FB, because this is the plugin FB. It's obviously got different sort of screenshots there that I think these are previous videos, and maybe you can copy them across. I don't use that. I have used the thumbnail tool with the full version that I've got on a different channel. I believe I have the Pro, not the Legend, and that's pretty good because you can either upload a pre-generated image and then you can do some editing within the tool, or you can take a screenshot, you can do some editing. So it's really helpful in that sense. But yeah, so it can help you with tags. As you can see, you can do lots of different things. All these words got these little FBs here. It can help. So it can help you with the title generator. It can help with the chapters, etc. So it's a great little tool if you have the full kind of the full version, and even the free version. You can see here I can generate full sets of ideas for my title. So I just wanted to kind of come on and do a video, because I've not done it for a while, and just talk about this tool, because I'm not sure if you do know about it. And especially, even the free, you can install it for free, as I say, and play around with it and test it out. And if you do want those extra bits of tools, then you can actually go and do that. Now, I'm going to include a link in the description below, and it's an affiliate link. But obviously you can still click on that link and get the free version. So don't think that you have to go and pay for it. But if you do want to look at it and test out the free version, if you could use my link, that'd be great. And I get like a click to say someone's clicked on it, and I can at least see that people are seeing this video and at least trying the free version. You know, if you find it really useful, then, you know, brilliant. If you think you're going to get some of these other benefits, then, you know, certainly check them out. Because I did it on a month by month for my other account just to test it out, and I found it really, really good. But that's just me. It's not you. I mean, you might find it really good, you might not. But test out the free version and at least get some use. You know, you can at least get some of these extra things that you, you know, it helps with. Today I need to upgrade if I want to do that on this channel. But you at least get some of these useful tools that will potentially help with that SEO part of your video creation. Now, this video is going far too long, so I'm going to cut it short there. But yeah, go and check it out. Tubebuddy. I think it's a really good little tool.